Hi, again, this is Andres Jurado, and I wanted to leave a quick video to go over the selection of your surgeon abroad. It's a very nerve-wracking decision. There's a lot of factors, and a lot of patients get lost in so much information that they can get. We talked about in a previous video that we have the identification of who is a specialist that is certified and that has gone through the process of right training about it. And I speak about elective surgery specifically, which there are multiple specialties that perform elective surgery. However, the most common and the most popular and with the highest demand worldwide, it's plastic surgery. So here there are a few tips that hopefully it'll help for you to make the right decision. You have amazing doctors, five-star doctors, at least in Mexico, in most countries have them. There are also at the same time medium level doctors, and there are bad doctors that are still specialists and that are still have that level of studies that are needed. However, there are levels among those doctors too. So price can be a good reference as to what level of doctor you're talking to. A very good doctor will give you a price accordingly. And the amazing doctors that we have, at least here in Mexico, the level of study, the years of training, the vicinity with the US have created like a good big number of surgeons that are culturally more adapted to your needs as a US or Canadian patient. We know what are your pain points in that regard, so we work to make sure that we offer a better solution in that part too. But usually that quality, those credentials, those accreditations, those licenses, which by the way, they are available online. You can Google them. For our clients, we provide them with these links where they can see for themselves, whether it's a US organization or if it's a Mexican council that they need to be part of. So this is where it comes, this part where you should ask. You should not be scared, or the doctor should not be, any surgeon should not, if they have everything in place, they should not be like offended if you ask them. It's your total right as a patient to do so. So definitely, yeah, let's work on that. Your research process, we help them in many ways we can. However, some patients obviously doesn't come through our services. We encourage them to do that. Double check, speak to previous patients that have gone through these procedures. If it's a doctor that is as experienced as he say, he must have successful cases. And I understand that not everybody is willing to share their experience because they want to keep their privacy, but a lot of them want to. So don't be afraid to ask that for your potential surgeon, and contact these people. Ask them, how was your experience? How was it? How did you feel before, during, and after the process? I think it's a shame that a lot of patients end up not doing this because of lack of confidence in the process. And I understand there is certain filters that makes the US patients think certain way about medical quality in Mexico, but like I said, and I go back to the beginning, there are good doctors, there are amazing doctors, and there are bad doctors too. It all depends on you making your research and making sure that it makes sense why there would be a difference in price, which I totally guarantee you that is gonna represent amazing savings compared to an equivalent doctor in the US with the same years of experience, credentials, this and that. So I hope this helps, guys. I remind you to get in touch with us. Our contact informations are gonna be there, so you can always search My Medical Vacations to help you in these tough decisions. We're here for that. Have a great day, and we hope this helps. Bye bye.